Hello, QuickBook users and enthusiasts. Welcome back again to our beloved channel. As the year comes to a close, it's time to wrap up your financial records in QuickBooks. In today's tutorial, we are given to walk you through the steps on how to close out the year in QuickBooks. We believe this process is crucial for accurate financial reporting and preparing for the new year. And make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell turned on so you never miss out on any of our exciting updates and keep you on the loop. Now, there are several reasons why closing out the year in QuickBooks offers advantages for businesses and individuals. Number one, it ensures that your financial statements, such as, let's say, your income statement, profit and loss, and balance sheet, accurately reflect the financial activity for that specific year. It helps in complying with tax regulations and requirements. And you are ready, of course, for tax reporting, making tax season less stressful. It really is, makes your life better. Now, since it makes it easier to analyze historical data and spot trends, um, it's often necessary to meet legal and regulatory compliance. And most, if not all, businesses are required by law to have accurate and auditable financial record. So let's say if your business undergoes an audit, having closed financial periods simplifies the process. The auditors, you're making their lives easier. They can review your financial records for a specific year without worrying about changes to prior periods, if you are getting the bigger picture here. And then, while doing that, it allows to have a better evaluation. You can obviously compare your actual financial resource to budgeted figures or forecasts for each year. So, you have that leverage. And last but not the least, facilitating financial analysis and making informed decisions is critical practice for any businesses and any organizations to effectively manage their finances and plans for the future. Now, when we go again to the version that I'm using, hover down to the gear icon here where it says account and setting. On the account setting, go to the advanced. There you go. Actually, we have a related tutorial about closing out the period, but we are focusing on the closing out year or even closing the month, right? So again, if you didn't watch the video, we have the pencil icon here. All you gotta do is click on that, and then you choose the financial year, the month and the year, as easy as that. Let's say you'll be closing on the month of maybe March. Then let's say probably like this year, or depends on what year you wanted to close. And then again, you are given to our prompts here: allow changes after viewing a warning, and allow changes after viewing a warning and entering a password. And just like that, believe it or not, we are done. As easy as that. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this tutorial on QuickBooks Online. Once again, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and for more useful tutorials such as this one, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions, I'm very glad to answer any of that. And if you need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, take care, guys, and happy bookkeeping.